Hi, my name's Mike Marone from Cold Shot Chillers, and we're here this afternoon to commission a brand new air-cooled water chiller, model ACWC90QDM. It's a 7.5-ton machine supporting a Varian TrueBeam linear accelerator. This machine is designed to handle a wide variation of heat loads quite often found in this application, and still providing the long, reliable service that's needed for long-term service. Okay, now let's come over here and look at the temperature controller on the machine. When we look at this temperature controller, we're going to see two values. We're going to see an SV and a PV. The PV is the processed water temperature within the cooling loop, while SV is the actual set value that the chiller is going to try and maintain. This application requires a 60-degree set point. It allows for enough cooling for the linear accelerator while being warm enough to not develop any condensation within the control panel. To adjust the set point, we come to the scrolling keys over here to the right and scroll up or down to our desired point. Once we reach where we want to be, and this one will be 60 degrees, we come up to 60. We press the set button over here, and now our chiller set point is set to 60 degrees. Okay, this system is equipped with the highly recommended automatic city switchover. In the event of a mechanical failure, this box will switch the cooling medium from the chiller loop to the city water supply, so the linear accelerator does receive the necessary cooling needed. Looking at the lights, if the lights are green, system available, in normal operation, everything is in fine working order. In the event of an upset or mechanical failure, this amber light will come on and the buzzer will sound, notifying all the operators that there is a city water condition. The alarm can be silenced by using the manual silencer. Call the service company for help. Call Cold Shot Chillers, and we can go ahead and troubleshoot the issue as need be and get you up and running as quick as we can.
This is the Cold Shot Chiller H2 remote status panel located inside of the building. The green light located on the left shows the chiller in normal working conditions. The PV process value tells you true temperature. The SV set value is what the chiller cools down to maintain that temperature. In the event of a problem, the panel will throw an alarm code identifying what safety has gone out on the chiller. Push the silence button to silence the alarm. Then proceed to call Cold Shot Chiller Service Company for assistance. To access detailed information about the system, click here on Status Panel subscreen menu. Then you will be able to access 7 different menu options. The 2 most viewed options are Chiller System Info and System Overview.